It is about 590 BC, and the prophet Lehi's family sails toward a promised land. Some members of the family forget God's blessings, and a terrible storm threatens their lives. Based on actual events as recorded in the Book of Mormon, another testament of Jesus Christ.
Go count the stars, Jacob.
Hey, get out of there.
Layman, tell me, what do you think of this sturdy, fine ship we have built?
We have built. You mean to say the ship I have built? Hey, Hug. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
See his face?
This is righteousness. Wine.
Father.
Layman. What?
Let us not forget by what power we have been brought here. I fear exceedingly lest the Lord should be angry with us.
Nephi fears exceedingly, lest the Lord should be angry with us.
Go below.
Layman, I fear lest he should smite us because of our iniquity.
We will not that our younger brother should be a ruler over us. Layman! Stop it!
Now let us see if your God can deliver you from these cords.
Get below! It's not working! Keep it straight, Sam!
Layman, untie him.
Layman, stop this! This is not who you are. Please, soften your heart.
God will not suffer this rebellion.
Silence, Father!
Layman, stop! Layman! Remember.
Anyone who speaks for Nephi will receive the same as he.
Layman! Layman, please! I beg you.
No.
At least let me take him water. You cannot endure this any longer!
The Lord will suffer it, that he might show forth his power unto the fulfillment of his word, which he hath spoken concerning the wicked.
Oh Lord, please sustain us in our trial! Layman, this storm has beaten us for 4 days. We cannot stand any more. You must end this.
I know. The judgments of God are upon us.
thank thee, Father, for delivering me from my bonds. According to our faith and humility, calm the raging seas, that they bury us not.
Jacob, it works according to our faith and obedience.
I'm going to see how you others.
Whether it's to food or to find the promised land.